How to share a OneDrive folder via email. Need to collaborate or just send someone access to folder? Sharing a OneDrive folder by email is quick and secure. Here's how to do it from both the web and desktop. Go to onedrive.live.com and sign in. Navigate to the folder that you want to share. Hover over it and click on the share button. By default, OneDrive creates a link anyone can access. You can adjust permissions by clicking on the gear icon to set view only or edit access and even set expiration dates. Now enter the email address of the person that you want to share with, right here. You can include a custom message if you'd like. Click send to the email invitation. The recipient will get a link they can use to access the folder right away. And that's how you share folders via email using OneDrive. Perfect for school, work, or sharing photos with friends. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.